Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, if you're in the market for a new comforter, I have a gorgeous option for you from the cotton and silk. Now, as the name implies, this is 100% filled with mulberry silk. It is luxurious, let me tell you. So now when I think of a duvet, I think of really hot. This is an all-season comforter. It's so thin, it's lightweight, it hugs you beautifully while you sleep, but it does not cause me to overheat. So this is perfect for all seasons. In the wintertime, I throw an extra blanket underneath. In the summer, you're all set with just this. It's so soft, it's beautifully made. So all of the silk strands are in here and kept in place with this really pretty stitching. So there's hearts holding the silk in place all over the duvet. Now this isn't something that you would want to just throw into the washing machine. So you're going to want to keep it protected. Personally, I use the cotton and silk duvet cover. This is the one that's blue. It's such a beautiful shade of blue. But what I love and I actually find super unique about this combo is that they have the tabs on all of the corners and edges like every average duvet. But normally the side with the closure, so whether it's a button or a zipper, normally that side does not have a tie. This one does. So literally you have ties on every single corner and every single edge to keep it in place so it doesn't move. I love this extra little detail. It is a small detail, but that really matters to me. You can just feel the quality with this silk duvet. It's the first time I've ever used one. I usually use a down-filled blanket. This one is so nice and luxurious. My husband loves it too. We are so cozy at night. It really does envelop you so you feel surrounded by the blanket but not weighed down. So if you're considering a change and you're eyeing this beautiful blanket, don't hesitate. It is so easy to love, and that's my point of view.